In today's video, I'm going to be showing us a powerful tool, and this tool is so amazing and beautiful for creating videos, long form videos. Yes, you heard me right, long form videos. And this tool is so wonderful, like it does not waste time. It's free, and at the same time it's not free. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's come over and search for Videoinu. So when you come over and search for Videoinu, you see this one right here. Alright, this is a new window. I will need to sign in first. So I've signed in my email. After doing that, then I'll show us the interface of this Videoinu and explain how it works for us. Alright, so I've signed in my email. Let me come over and search for this Videoinu. Now, you click on this first link right here, then you wait for it to load. It's as simple as and easy as that. So you can see it, Videoinu, it's ready. So what you are going to see all this interface right here. You see a lot of things. So now I want to register before we can create any video. So I'm going to sign up with my email. So that is the email I just signed into this browser. I will try that out and see how it works. Like, this is so amazing. You don't want to miss this chance to use this tool because it gives amazing videos. Alright, so I've signed in my email. It's logging me in. So once I've successfully logged in, then let's see the next thing. The interface is going to come up like this. So you can see we have AI video generator, and the first thing is to look at it. You see that they gave you 500 credits for a starter, right? So we have video generator, we have character generator. If this image you want to generate, you have your own character you want to use. You can see template. These are templates of videos, images people have generated. You can see the minutes. Yeah, you've seen some 1 minute, some 5 minutes, a lot like that. So let's come over to this section of AI character generator before I explain the video part. Alright, so this character is, you want to create your own character from scratch and turn into a video. It's as easy and simple as you see it. Alright, so the beautiful part is that you can name your character and you can select the gender. Is it male, is it female, and also is it human, or now the age also. You see child, youth, senior, and unknown, a lot of like that. So you can see these are a character style that you can choose among the ones that are available right here. So it's as simple and easy as that. Now let's go back to the AI video generator, because that is, I'm very sure that is the major reason why most of us are here. Alright, so now the first thing we're going to do is we are going to get our prompt, right? So I will get my prompt ready and paste it in right here. So you make sure that the landscape you set it to, and you can also change languages, that is your preferred language. And also you can see all these things, like these two, they are so amazing. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to get our prompt and work on a video so that you see how it works. Alright, this tool can help you to generate long form video, 30 seconds at a time, 1 minute at a time. So if you are using the basic version, that is the free mode, you can only generate 30 seconds and 1 minute at a time. But if you are a pro version, pro member, you can generate 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on like that, to make your work easier. So if you want to continue enjoying this tool, you can consider subscribing to this tool to generate long form video. Mostly if you are doing animation and you see it will give you lip sync, like, you understand, so amazing. So this is a story of a clever rat and a cat. So let's come over and paste it in right here to see the outcome, to see what this tool can do for us. Like, this tool is so amazing. This tool is so amazing. This is the new tool that is just released. So, and you really need to use this right now because it's giving long form video. So you make sure you set it to the landscape to 16:9. If you want to be 9:16, just make sure you specify it right there. Then the style, you can select your style. So I've selected my style already. I selected this first one right here, then I click on next. So you wait for some little seconds for it to load completely. So right now you can see it has breaking down all the scenes, and it's estimated to go for 1 minute 03 seconds. Like, this is so amazing. Look at it. It breaks it down to 12 different scenes. Like, this is so amazing. This tool is so amazing. So you come over and click on next. That is now, and you see the credit is going to consume just for 1 minute video. It's far way more better than VO3. VO3, you see, when you're using VO3, you use 20 credits for a scene, and which is 8 seconds. All right, so now we want to select our characters. All right, just for the sake of this video, I won't be creating anyone from scratch. I'll just be selecting the ones that are available right here. But if you don't want to, you can start by creating your own, upload your own, and use it for your video. Like, this tool is so amazing. Like, I love this tool so much. All right, so you can see it right here. Before you click on this, make sure you select character for the tool. Now, it's from the analyzing that the tool discovered that there are 2 characters, and it gave me space for 2 characters. So if you're having a lot of characters, it's going to specify there for you to use. It's so easy and so simple. So I come over and click on next. Then in few seconds we are going to wait. So you can see it's generating all the images now. So this is the first thing it's going to do. It will first generate the images of each scene. Like, God, when I tried this tool, I was like, this is amazing, right? So now we have all our images, everything available. Okay, the rest are still generating. Let's hold on and see the outcome. Like, this is so easy and so amazing. Now, after this one is done, so you can see the images are ready for us to use. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to come over. Now, you can see this animate button. If you want it to animate, you can just come over and click on animate. Then it is going to do. So, all right, so I'm going to come over and click on generate. Then you can see it right here. These are the scenes. So the essence of you clicking on the animate button is to animate each scene so that it will match, you understand, to give it more, to make it more interactive, more engaging, and so on. So here we have to select the title style and, the cover settings, everything. You have to add that. Then for the background sound, you look at it. Okay, let's set this very well. Now for the background music, you look at this. It's kind of you have to avoid copyright issue, so you might not need to use these sounds because it sounds like YouTube music. All right, so you can just come over to Suno and generate your sound for the video so that you will not have any copyright issue. So once you are done with that, so I'm trying to see, let's pick a song. All right, I will need to skip that part because we don't need any song. So let's just leave it at no background music, right? So now in the aspect ratio, make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16:9 or any of your choice. So now let's wait for our video to generate in a few seconds. So you can see our video is ready. Like, boom, this is so amazing. All right, so you will notice something right here that the video was not moving. So you understand, because I did not click on that animate. So when you are creating your video, make sure you click on that animate so that it will give you best result, like best output. This tool is so amazing. Remember, I selected this style, right? So you can just come over here and click on download. Then it will download right to your device. It's so simple and easy. Now you can even edit it. That is, you can edit it and go back and do some retouching for it to give you another outcome. Like, anyhow you want it, you can just always come back and do some editing. So once I'm done with my editing, I'll click on send. Then it's going to do. So you can see this was the animate I was talking to you about the other time. So you make sure you click on animate so that. But the challenging part is that if you want to animate the video for it to lip sync, to give you the exact tone of what the character is supposed to say, you have to subscribe to the pro version for you to be able to access this tool for free, right? So it's so if you can afford that, you can just sign up and get don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to attach the link to this video, to this tool, so that you can try it out and see how it works for you, right? So it's so simple and so easy. I'm very sure you must have enjoyed this video. If you watch this video to this point, just type in the comment section that I just watched to this point. and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.